In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get back missing old emails in Outlook. If some of your older messages seem to have vanished, don't worry. There are a few built-in tools in Outlook that can help you bring them back or surface them quickly. We'll go step by step, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along. First, let's try recovering items that were deleted. Open your deleted items folder. At the top, look for the option called Recover Items Deleted from this folder. In Classic Outlook, this may appear as Recover Deleted Items from Server. Click that, and a window will open showing messages that are still within your organization's retention period, typically somewhere between 14 and 30 days. Select the old email or emails you want. Then click Restore. Those messages will return to deleted items first. From there, you can drag them back to your inbox or any other folder you prefer. If you don't see the recovery option or a particular email isn't listed, it may be outside the retention window. Next, create a search folder to automatically gather older mail in one place. In the folder list, find Search Folders. Right-click it and choose New Search Folder. In the window that opens, scroll to the Organizing Mail section and select Old Mail. Click Choose. Then set the time filter. Something like older than 3 months works well if you are hunting for messages that have quietly slipped down your mailbox. Click OK to create it. This doesn't move or duplicate emails. It simply provides a dynamic view of everything that matches your criteria, so you can review older messages without digging through multiple folders. Finally, use the search bar with advanced filters to pinpoint messages by date. Click into the search box at the top of Outlook, open the search filters and set a date range, such as last month or last year, so Outlook narrows the results to the time frame you care about. This is especially helpful if you remember roughly when a message arrived but not where it ended up. Combine the date range with a sender or a keyword if you want to tighten the results even further. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.